girl Akira. I'm back with a video on nails Akira, and today we're doing an unboxing video. I just got back home from school, but I just got my package. I got the package. Okay. So I'm going to unbox it. It's not really unboxing. I'm back. This is not all of my stuff, but some of the stuff came in. The rest of the stuff should be coming by next week, so. Got the box. And this is for the press on. Okay, hold on. Anyways, y'all, I had to continue on my iPad because I ran out of storage on my phone. But yeah, so I'm gonna open this so that I can count the things. So here's the thing that you know, popcorn. Oh yeah, it's two set together. So this, they stuck together. I'm tripping, y'all. It's not sticking on. That's very good, very good. And yeah, so it's 10. It's 10 to make the person one going. Let's look at that house. Y'all, I definitely ordered me a bigger container because I know that, you know, like all the stuff that I ordered not gonna fit in that other small container. Anyways. Oh, this is a white polish. Y'all, I got one white polish already, but I just got another one, so. Hold on. Got my phone stand yet, so y'all gonna be getting videos like this until I get my phone stand. Anyways, because it is on the way. Those are all the nail polishes I have for right now. And then this is the other container, but this is where all the rest of the other stuff gonna go at. But yeah, so that's a white polish. This set came with how many polishes? Let's see. Probably not paying attention to it, eating up and stuff, but actually, you know, it came with 10 nail polishes. This is I don't know what color, but I mean you can see the color, but they're real light, so it's obviously not a lot in here, but it's like a light, pink purplish color. Yeah. Got a peach color, like a purplish bluish color. We got a light blue. We got pink, purple. That's a dark purple. This is like yellow, goldish looking type. Oh, we got that real pink. Yeah. And then another blue. So I'm about to put them in here with my other polishes. So yeah, that's in here. And then I was gonna try to use, but I was listening to y'all. Here's what I was gonna do. I was gonna get a paper, and I was gonna try to smooth it out, but then I thought about it. I said, I don't have my brushes yet, so I can't try to smooth it out for y'all. But those are the colors. And those are the 3 things I got right now. I'm still waiting on the rest of the stuff to be here, but just know that this business is gonna be booming real soon. And that we're getting their profit. And that's on what? Period. I need to get me a shelf. But be looking forward to some more videos. Y'all see them countdowns on that account. And yeah, bye guys. Sorry this video wasn't that long. I mean, I really don't have too much to show, like, except for my other nail polishes. Like, we got this. Like, I really don't have much to show. And the rest of these are just like pinks and stuff like that. So, yeah, thanks for being here. This video will be posted by 9 o'clock or whatever it say on the countdown. I think it says 8. Yeah, it says 8. Will be posted by 8 o'clock.